What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. And boy, man, check it out. It's the day after Halloween, November 1st. You know, I don't know if you guys went trick-or-treating, but it looked like our treat was the trick. Because it's already starting to snow out here, man. I guess that's what you get out here for being in Indiana. One day it's snowing, one day it's raining, one day it's sunny, man. But it's cold and breezy. Ain't gonna be no flying today. No flying today, man, but we're gonna run this guy right here, man. All right, this is the basically the Hiboxing 16889 brush model, but this is branded by DeeRc, a company on Amazon called DeeRc. They're branding this Hiboxing, but it's the same exact truck. It's basically the Hiboxing 16889 branded by DeeRc, and I put my Firefly 1 on there, man. So we're gonna do a little bit of running with this guy, man. We're gonna do a little bit of running with this guy. So what you guys think, man? So I mounted my Firefly 1, that's little mini action camera on there, and we're gonna do a little quick run in the snow while it's cold as heck for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're gonna do the thing. So let me go ahead and power this guy on. I hope you guys had a wonderful Halloween. Those of you that do participate, those of you that don't, that's cool. So let's go ahead and just run this guy. I got this recording, so I hope you guys enjoy this run. This is the 16889, man. We're gonna run this guy real quick, and I ain't gonna be doing too much talking. Probably just gonna show you guys the footage.